Good morning, traders. Today, the really good volume and predictable price action ranges have been in the crude oil. That's where I've made 9 ticks today. Lost on the morning big sell-off that was like close to like 60 ticks, which was like right around here, right at the open. This big sell-off. I saw this pattern forming and I just couldn't pick it up. Man, I had other charts open. I come back and this thing was way down here. We're using range bars right now. I'm still testing that out for the rest of this week, maybe next week, and so maybe perhaps that's why it doesn't show as aggressive with like one big single candlestick to the downside. But it formed very fast, very aggressively. We came in at the end, and I took in a 4 point scalp at the end on that, made $40, and then took another 5 points up to the upside of the band, to the mid band before the pullback. Hang on, let me zoom in here a little bit the right way. Get the width right. 1 second here. I just couldn't see anything much on the Dow. Any good opportunity? My eyes were on this. Pretty much caught my attention for the rest of the morning. It's now about 9:30. Market opened an hour ago here Central Time. I'm in Austin, Texas. Um, so came in off of a pullback, made that 5 points, like I said. The YM and the ES just like I said, my attention span really got lost off of um, this stuff in the last few days, especially the ES. I'm hardly even touching it anymore. I'm having some data issue here with this chart. It's getting really annoying. Gotta call Ninja Trader, see if they can help me out. But with the YM and ES, pretty much. For those again that you forgot, guys, YM is the Dow E-mini, ES is the S&P E-mini. Pretty decent move here now that I'm seeing on the YM. But at the time I was really trading for the last hour, my mind and heart was really on crude oil, guys. So let me real quickly do a morning recap on that. Hey, again, for those of you that have been watching our videos, thank you very much. Daily recaps are a recap of the whole trading day. I just have not been trading the whole day or for most of the day. So my recaps are usually just what I do in the morning and I'm gone. I'm usually trading first 1 to 2 hour in the morning and I'm done. That's when like good ranges come in after these big emotional sell-offs from like overnight buys and stuff like that, or any kind of news. You might have some consolidation and then you'll start having some general good move again. But I'm so used to reading momentum that I try to usually scalp off the tip end of that momentum if I can catch it. I wish I just was still on this all morning. I would have probably wrote it down myself, making maybe $600 on one contract. Again, one contract, guys, we're talking on crude oil is $1,000 margin. Is it dangerous? It can be. Does it make you good percentages when you use price action and good judgment and risk management? Yes, it does. Could have made us $600. Hell, we still made $90 within 30 minutes on the market on the crude oil. That's still a 9% gain consistently, just like yesterday. 8, 9%, 30 minutes, we're out, we're done with our day. We could sit here and make more, or we could just add more contracts for you bigger players out there. Heck, if you had 10 grand in your account, you would have just scalped $900 in 30 minutes on the same exact trade that I just took. $900 in 30 minutes, you're done with your day, and you're rocking a $10,000 account. Some of you guys have a lot more than that. Some of you traders that I know, you have 90 grand, 6 digits sitting in your account, 100 plus grand sitting in your account. You do. But my emphasis of this course is starting small, running small, and showing you small. So you can just see for yourself the potential later by you getting your own trades in without any anxiety, with small little margins, and make your way up there. $90 is not a bad move for $1,000 investment. I don't know many businesses out there where we can do that with $1,000 in 30 minutes. What, go buy a used car and find out you need to put $90 in it and then put it at it, have all that crap and that liability? You can do this from anywhere around the world. The last I checked, there's condos for rent in Costa Rica for $600 a month. You make $90 a day in 30 minutes? Come on, guys, what kind of money is that in a year? It's 21 grand. Can you live in a third world country? You probably could. In some third world countries, hell. Not to sound unpatriotic here, guys, but some countries right now are offering tax incentive for you to, foreign income taxes, non-taxed. Costa Rica, Panama, 4 years in New Zealand. Day trading counts as foreign income. So I'm just saying, look at the big picture of things. When I started trading, going from play money, sim money for 2 years to real money, little money wasn't appreciated by me because I saw too much big money and it became fake. So I started losing a lot faster because $40, $90, $150 was not enough. It wasn't being appreciated. So, and forgetting on what kind of small margins it took us to get us there. So, not to get too long into this, guys, topic, but you get the drift, right? You get my drift, what I'm saying? So, that's it. There's our points for the day. Let's see. What just popped up here? Oh, some sim trade. Gosh, thank goodness. Sometimes you make trade by accident, you just wish and you're happy you see it was your sim account. Um, don't forget, guys, if you ever need to just be on the safe side, file. You see this global simulation mode? Make sure that's checked on. It won't let you accidentally turn your um, real account on from here. Once I'm done trading, I will usually always go back in there and turn that off. Just want to make sure no accidents. I was playing around earlier trying to test a super dome. For those of you guys that know, you old school traders, not this chart trader here, the super dome, and I accidentally placed a market order. Thank goodness it was a sim account. So because that was a losing trade. So it was like $20, whatever. But still, when it's your real account, that's sensitive. That's real money. You don't want to make mistakes like that. Anyway, part of the market recap, like I said, guys, crude oil. We have probably a good 40 years of business left in this crude oil market. I was reading an article last night. I was wondering myself, if we had to all make a living just on crude oil, how long do we have? We probably have about 4 decades left. Um, so we have plenty of time to make money, be profitable, diversify our incomes, and use that into other kind of investments. I'm looking at buying more real estate away from the real estate I currently own, and diversification. So this is just another wheel. This awesome, awesome tools that we have available that we can do from anywhere around the world and be profitable and make money, guys. So that's it. This is Peter here with Forte Trader. I've offered you guys a good program. You can get in, join, and um, let me coach you. Once a week, we'll meet up on Skype, answer all your questions, concerns, make sure you're doing okay. We're still growing, so I'm personally getting involved with every student, personally, making sure everybody has their question answered, making sure everybody is set. And that's about it, guys. Have a good day.